Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called I Am a Virus by Skule Adler. Before I start this book, this is also about the coronavirus. As you can see, there's a picture of it, or 3 pictures of it. Hi there boys and girls, or the viewers, or you. How do you do? I'm a little naughty virus. How about you? Lately, everyone's worried and so unsure just because I've gone on a worldwide tour. All I wanted to visit there and here. Why all the fuss? Why so much fear? Is it because I'm so similar to the flu? The terrible cough and high fever too? I'm very tricky to see, so hard to spot. Under a microscope, I'm smaller than a dot. So the doctor will tell us what can be done to make sure that I pass on to no one. If I stay on your hands, because that's where I sit, the doctor will say better soap every little bit. You should use sanitizer before you go to play, and you should sit and wait for it to dry all away. I do not like water and the smell of soap. Both make me run away and want to mope. But there are other ways I can spread. Don't worry, the doctor will explain right ahead. You should cover your nose when you sneeze, as long as you don't spray everyone. Please. It might seem a bit weird or maybe even funny, but sneezing to your elbow when your nose is runny, away from your hands and away from your face, away from your mouth and eyes, just in case. At times you might have to stay at home inside, play in your house instead of outside. We'll stay at home until the doctors will say that we're not contagious in any kind of way. Yeah, this might usually happen since the coronavirus is here. Oh yeah, just saying, like people are saying that the ozone layer on the earth is basically recovering because nobody is working at the factories, and they're saying that pollution is the one that makes the hole in the ozone layer. Yeah, even if you catch me, I'm not all that bad. You'll feel like any other flu that you've had. Though it might be hard and not it all fun, I'll be over real quick. I just have begun. So all you kids can surely lend a hand if you stick to the rules. I leave as planned. Don't worry, I have a song in your heart. Your parents will keep you safe and do their part. They'll soon have a cure, so I don't drop by. I know you won't miss me. You won't even cry. I'm off and gone. I'll wave you goodbye. During these troubling times, before you open the news or read out loud from the paper about increasing spread of the virus, let us stop for a second and consider how we should explain the new situation to our children. It's important that we use a language they can understand in an age-appropriate way. Use short answers and refrain from going into details as you allow the child to ask questions and listen to what concerns them. It is highly recommended that you keep them away from the news. Avoid exposing them to pictures or related video clips, as they might struggle to process them. If you do ask, it's advisable that you explain in general about viruses, and for preschoolers about hygiene. This is a wonderful opportunity to teach them more about sensational diseases, cleanliness, and importance of washing their hands. Thank you. And also thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!